Let's see an example of a behavioral question. Now the interviewer may ask you a question. Please tell me your approach in dealing with a team member who does not share your ideas. This person doesn't like you and he doesn't get involved into your ideas. He doesn't appreciate you. So now when you have to answer this question, you have to keep in mind one thing. And this always works. Whenever you involve a person into the decision making process, or when you involve his ideas in the decision making process, he always gets connected, and you should always try to connect emotionally with the people. So while you are answering this question, how you will go about? Sir, whenever we get a task, so what we do is we go into a brainstorming session, we discuss ideas, and here what we do is we involve everybody into that decision making process. We take viewpoints of everyone, and I especially take the ideas from this person who doesn't agree with me. Now in the team, when this person is putting up his ideas and others are listening, so what happens is he has to respect his idea, he has to honor his idea. And then when we go about taking a decision, in that we also involve his idea, we also involve his solution. Now when we go about doing it and the tasks are assigned to everybody, he is also assigned a particular task. I take special care to see to it that this person is doing his job well or not. I personally get involved with him, and so I get connected with him. He sheds his ego and he gets involved into the job. And this is what I do when I have to handle a person who does not share his ideas with me. I just involve him into my decision making process. तो अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाता है कि आपके ऑफिस में कोई ऐसा इंसान है जो आपके साथ सहमत नहीं होता, तो वहाँ आप इस तरह बताने की कोशिश करेंगे कि सहमति लेने के लिए जब भी हम कोई भी निर्णय लेते हैं तो उससे भी राय लेते हैं और उसके निर्णय को भी शामिल करते हैं। जब उसका निर्णय होता है तो क्योंकि उसने खुद निर्णय लिया होता है, इसलिए वो काम करने को तैयार रहता है, और उस समय मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश ये करता हूँ कि मैं उसकी सहायता करूँ। इससे मैं उसके साथ जुड़ जाता हूँ, कनेक्ट हो जाता हूँ और काम करना आसान हो जाता है।